Hello everyone, I am going to explain intraday trading with MACD and EMA. MACD is a momentum indicator, moving average convergence and divergence. EMA we are going to use to know the trend, either it is in uptrend mode or in the downtrend mode. Since it is intraday trading and we have to deal with real quick actions, do not expect anything on the targets. No predictions. Trade should just enter and exit the positions either with a profit or with stop loss. I would prefer to use a time frame of 5 or 10 minutes for this trading system. The lower time frame, the better. The MACD indicator we are going to use with the default settings 12, 26, 9, and we are going to use exponential moving average high for 40 period and low for 40 period. Rules for the entry and exit. For entering into the long, we have to see the exponential moving average high low of 40 period is trending up and price should stay above the long term moving average, and MACD signal crossover happens towards upside. And short entries we are going to use when exponential moving average 40 high EMA 40 low EMA trending down and price is below the long term moving average, and MACD signal crossover happens towards downwards. I would prefer a trader should use multiple lots so that they can exit 50% when they get 10 or 20 or 30 points and trail the rest until MACD signal reverse or price close below or above the trend direction. So many people confused to use the indicators. So I would say not to blame the indicators. All these indicators are defined for a purpose. One should know how to use it. And while doing this intraday trading, trader can fine tune the EMA as per choice, but the preferred is the longer term exponential moving average number. I am going to show the settings how to make it in AMI Broker and also in MetaTrader in the later part of the video. So what are the advantages of this system? Since it is a intraday trading, either profit or loss settle during the day and trader can sleep well during the night. During the trending market, trade is going to give tremendous results, huge profits. And you don't need to predict or forecast, just follow. You don't need to have any tensions. And disadvantages in this system is trader should react a very quick mode. Trader should act fast and trader should cut down the positions if the stop loss hits. Sometimes trader may not get trades at all. Trader should have the patience. News will be reflected ahead in the charts. Do not bother about the news. Don't wait for the news. Be disciplined to follow the rules that are defined for this intraday trading system. Never bother about the swings. Don't even bother if you miss huge profits after you exit the position. Let the system give you a short or long and grab your trade, exit the profit or exit with stop loss. Do not get distracted by others' views. Once you enter into the trade, just scalp and close the positions. Others may be using a different system, so ignore all other views. I am going to show a couple of charts, and these are 5 minutes charts for the Nifty trading. So this is the first chart, which is of 17th April or 16th April rather. So if you see this, the condition is the MACD crossover, red line crossing over blue line upside, and price is closing above the 40 EMA high, 40 EMA low. So this is the best location, as close to 40 EMA high you should enter a long trade. So this is the long trade where this MACD is also confirmed. So enter a long here, and you should exit as soon as you get 10 or 20 or 30 points, because this is a scalping trade. Second thing is, if you notice the distance between these two lines is high, and that is the area you should exit your profits, book your profits. Now there is a MACD sell signal, the blue line is crossing over red and trade is still here, but the trend is up. The trend is up. So you should ignore all the signals, sell signals that are coming in MACD. So next buy signal came here, red line crossing over blue. Okay, and price is very near to the 40 high EMA. So this is the place to enter. Okay, and as soon as the distance between these two lines are increases, you should close the positions or book 50% longs and then hold for the rest to the cost basis until MACD is going to give a sell signal. So here in this area the sell signal came. So if you continue this, you are going to get more profits. Now there is another sell signal which we should ignore because the trend is up. Here there is a small buy signal came in the MACD. However, if you see the distance between the 40 high EMA and the price, it is much more. So you should ignore this kind of MACD signals whenever the price is far away from the long term trend prices. And next is, you are getting a sell signal over here, and watch for the trend. Now the trend turned towards a sell mode, so you can do a active sell here in this candle high. Okay, and exit as soon as the distance between MACD lines is high. So you can close the short position here. Okay, now I am going to check for a short trades. So the rules are, a price should be below 40 low EMA and high EMA, and MACD should give a sell signal. Here there is a sell signal coming, and here you are going to enter a short as soon as the distance between these two lines are high, or as soon as it turn towards a buy, close the position. In this particular trade, either you may be getting a 10 points or you may be exiting at a cost price. Now the second trade, since the trend is downwards and price is coming near towards the 40 low EMA, and there is a sell signal generated in the MACD, so you can short it very openly and exit as soon as you get the maximum distance in the MACD. Okay, so here you're going to exit. There is a buy signal came since the trend is going downwards and price is very near to the band of 40 low EMA and high EMA. We are not going to enter any trade here. And the next sell signal, there is a buy signal came here. Since the trend is down, we are going to ignore this. Now the next sell signal is here in MACD, and where the price is very near to the 40 low EMA. So make a short here and exit as soon as you get a buy signal over here. So you will be getting 15 to 20 points easily. And there is a buy signal, trend is downwards, we ignore this. There is a sell signal here, but the price is far from the 40 EMA, so we are going to ignore this. Next trend is downside, MACD gave a buy signal, ignore. And next there is a sell signal, the price is near to 40 EMA, so you can short here and you can scalp for 10 to 15 points very easily and close the position. And this is a no trading zone as per this MACD EMA combination system for intraday, because this is a price zone where the price is just above and below this 40 EMA band. So we are not going to trade in this zone. I am going to explain how to make this intraday trading system in AMI broker with MACD and EMA. I am going to create a new blank chart. I set the time frame to 5 minutes. I will just grab the price indicator over here and then I'm going to drop the EMA 40 period. I select the high and then I'm going to select the green as an indication for the long side with the dashed lines. I'm going to select another EMA with a low of 40 period with the red color as and style as dashed. Okay, here the system ready. Now I'm going to add the indicator MACD with default settings. I'll just change this color as 26 as green so that it is going to be visible more. Okay, now I'm going to tell the entry for this particular thing. This is the MACD crossover and this is the place where we are going to enter into the long trade, because this is where the price is coming very near to the EMA band. Now the entry price, either we can enter it low or maybe at a closing price or at open price. So this is 5588 roughly, and closing is 5590 and close price is 5588. Roughly we are going to see 5588 is the entry price, and MACD went high here. Okay, before that itself the price gone high, which is 5633 5641 range, and a close is 5635. So your entry price is 5588 and your exit price, if you exit here, it is 5635, which is roughly 5635 minus 5590, 45 points. Or alternately, the distance between the MACD is maximum here, which is 5629 closing price. So you can exit over here. Still you get 30 points, and at a crossover sell signal, if you exit, it is going to be 5622 minus 5588, 22 plus 12, 34 points profit per lot. Since the trend is up, we are going to ignore the sell signal, meaning the red crossover green line of MACD. We are going to ignore now. We are going to consider the buy price again one more time here at this particular junction. It is near to the 40 EMA band, and we are going to take a long over here. If you feel that the price is far away from the EMA band, then just ignore. Otherwise, you can enter. So enter at open price, which is 5654, and with a stop loss of 10 points or 20 points. So your EMA band go wide over here. So 5706 from 5655, which is 50 points. Okay, or you can sell it over here, which is 5706 still. Our closing is 5696. Still you are going to get roughly 30 points. Let's go to the back side where we are having a sell mode. So here we are having a sell mode. Price is below the 40 EMA band. MACD is given a sell signal here itself. So since this is in the uptrend, we are not going to sell over here. We can sell it over here at 40 low EMA breaks. So the price is going to be 5594, 40 low EMA. So we're going to sell at 5595 or 5594, and you're going to hold. You're going to exit over here where the price, the distance between the MACD is high, or you can hold it until you get a buy signal in the MACD. So this is 5495 closing price and a short at 5594 40 EMA band where we shorted. So roughly we are going to get 100 points, which is a huge profit. Now let's see the settings, how to do it in MetaTrader. So we're going to select the 5 minutes. We're going to set the properties with a visible section, bar up to green, bar down to red, bull candle to green, bear candle to red. Here the chart is going to looks like, and I'm selecting the bar candle. I'm going to zoom a little bit. Now we're having the system ready. Now we're going to add the indicators of moving average, 40 period, exponential with the dotted, and sorry, I should select the properties of high, insert another trend indicator with moving average with low, select the color as red for the general indication, dotted lines. Now insert MACD with default settings. So here you see this crossover. Whenever there is a crossover happens over here, you go for a long and make sure that the trend is up. And here if you are long, it is going to give you the maximum distance over here, this particular place. You're going to get roughly 5525 in the open, and at high, which is 5572 at open price, which is high of this. This is going to give you almost 50 points. So this is how you can set up the MACD EMA intraday trading system in the MetaTrader. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you all.